Hello students, welcome to the class. How are you all? Hope you are fit, fine and doing great, and I'm sure you are excited to learn with me. So myself Divyani Shukla, your SST teacher, and today I'm going to teach you chapter number 10, which is the clock. Clock. What is clock? Clock is a thing, or you can say clock is an object by which we see time. It helps us to see the time. It tells us time. Time is very important for our life because it tells us that what thing or which thing we have to do at what time. So let's begin with this chapter. Look at the pictures and answer the following questions that follow. तो यहाँ पे कुछ पिक्चर्स गिवन है और आपको उनके हिसाब से you have to answer the questions. What time is shown on both clocks? So you have to see the time on both clocks. What time is shown in first clock? In first clock, it is 9 o'clock. Next, in this clock, what time is given? 12 o'clock. Likewise, you can see the picture and do remaining of the two. Moving to the reading of the chapter, time is an important part of our daily life. It helps us to know when to wake up, when to eat and when to go to bed. Let's learn more about time. तो time हमारी life का एक बहुत important पार्ट है. ये हमें बताता है when to wake up, when to go to bed, when to eat, when to do homework and etc. What is time? Time क्या है? Time tells us when thing happens. We use clocks and watches to see what time it is. तो time हमें बताता है कि कौन सी चीज कब करनी चाहिए. We use clocks and watches to see what time it is. टाइम क्लॉक्स और वॉचेस हमें बताती हैं कि क्या टाइम हो रहा है. पार्ट्स ऑफ अ डे. सो देयर आर बेसिकली 4 main parts of the day. What are those? There are 4 main parts of a day. They are, first is morning. The sun rises and we wake up, we get ready for school. Morning, when we wake up, we get ready for the school and we eat breakfast. Next part of the time is afternoon. We have lunch and do our afternoon activities. In afternoon, we do lunch and our afternoon activities. Next part is evening. The sun sets and we have dinner. We spend this time with our family. So evening में sunset होता है. We have dinner. We usually have dinner and we spend some quality time with our families. Next is night. It's dark outside and we go to bed to sleep. Night time जहाँ पे हमारे घर के बाहर या फिर आउटसाइड में हर जगह अंधेरा होता है and we usually go to bed at this time. So there are 4 times: morning, afternoon, evening and night. Now clock time. We measure the time of a day in hours and minutes. हम पूरे एक डे के टाइम को हमेशा आवर्स और मिनट्स में ही मेजर करते हैं. A clock has 12 numbers on its face from 1 to 12. Between each pair of numbers there are 5 tick marks. तो क्लॉक में 12 नंबर्स होते हैं क्लॉक के फेस पे from 1 to 12. हर एक पेयर ऑफ नंबर्स के बीच में there are 5 tick marks. The shorthand is called the hour and it moves from one number to the next in 1 hour. तो शॉर्ट हैंड जिसको हम आर एंड भी कहते हैं वो एक नंबर से दूसरे नंबर पे कब मूव करता है? जब 1 hour कंप्लीट हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट बात करते हैं लॉन्ग हैंड की. द लॉन्ग हैंड इज कॉल्ड द मिनट हैंड. इट मूव्स 1 tick mark in 1 minute. लॉन्ग हैंड को हम मिनट हैंड कहते हैं. वो मूव करता है उसका वो 1 tick mark पे मूव करता है हर एक मिनट कंप्लीट होने के बाद. Look at the hour first to know the hour, then look at the minute hand to know the minutes. So अगर हमें टाइम देखना है तो you will first look at the hour hand which is the small hand, then you will look at the minute hand to measure the time. Each of the clock given below shows the time right below it. तो यहाँ पे there are 4 clocks given and the time is shown what time it is on the clocks. Like in the first picture it is 4 o'clock. In the second you can see 8 o'clock. Third 6 o'clock and last 9 o'clock. So for measuring time you will first see the hour hand which is the shorter hand, then you will see the long hand which is called the minute hand. Match the following. So you have to match the correct pictures. Like first picture, you will match it with morning time, you will match it with option number C. Like this, you can do the remaining 3. Next, 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So in 1 minute, there are how many seconds? There are 60 seconds. 24 hours is equals to 1 day. 1 day has 24 hours. 52 weeks is equals to 1 year. In 1 year, there are 52 weeks. And in 1 year, there are 12 months. 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. 1 hour contains 60 minutes. 7 days is equals to 1 week. 7 days make complete 1 week. 365 days is equals to 1 year. 1 year has 365 days. Decade 10 years. Decade क्या होता है? When 10 years को हम एक साथ मेल करके decade बोलते हैं. Century 100 years को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Century. Millennium 1000 years को हम बोलते हैं millennium. Next, calendar. Calendar क्या है? Calendar helps us to know days, months and years. A calendar helps us to know days, months and years. It shows us important dates like birthdays and festivals. तो calendars की मदद से हम days, months और year पता लगा सकते हैं और कोई स्पेशल फेस्टिवल, बर्थडेज वगैरह भी हमें कैलेंडर से ही पता चलते हैं. Days of the week. Now, how many days are there in the week? 7. And what are those? We will read. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So these are 7 days in a week. Sunday is a day to rest and play. तो Sunday एक ऐसा दिन है जिसमें हम रेस्ट करते हैं और खेलते हैं, क्योंकि ना ही हमें उसमें कोई ऑफिस जाना होता ना ही स्कूल जाना होता. मंडे इज द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द वीक. मंडे जो है वो वीक का पहला दिन होता है. नाउ मंथ ऑफ ईयर. देयर आर 12 मंथ्स इन अ ईयर. एक साल में कितने महीने होते हैं? 12. व्हाट आर दोस? जनवरी, फेब्रुअरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर and December. So these are the 12 months in a year. Some months have 30 days, some have 31, but February is special. It has 20 days, but in a leap year it has 29 days. तो कुछ months में 30 days होते हैं और कुछ में 31. लेकिन February special है, it has 28 days, but it contains 29 days when it is a leap year. I hope you have understood the chapter. Now it's the time of vocabulary. समथिंग दैट मैटर्स अ लॉट. इंपॉर्टेंट यानी कोई भी चीज हमारे लिए बहुत ज्यादा मैटर कर रही है, बहुत जरूरी है. डेली समथिंग वी डू एवरी डे. डेली यानी कि जो काम हम रोज करते हैं. एक्टिविटी समथिंग वी डू फॉर फन, फॉर वर्क और फन. ऐसी एक्टिविटी यानी कि कोई भी काम जो हम काम वर्क के लिए या फिर फन के लिए करते हैं. स्पेशल समथिंग डिफरेंट और यूनिक. स्पेशल यानी कि कोई भी चीज एकदम अलग और एकदम हटके होना. रेस्ट टू रिलैक्स और टेक अ ब्रेक. रेस्ट यानी आराम करना और ब्रेक लेना. स्पेंड टू यूज टाइम डूइंग समथिंग. स्पेंड यानी कि हम किसी काम को करने में, किसी हॉबी को या कोई भी ऐसी चीज को काम करने में टाइम स्पेंड करना. नाउ लेट्स अस रिकॉल व्हाट वी हैव लर्नड इन दिस चैप्टर विद सम ऑफ द पॉइंट्स. टाइम इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ. टाइम टेल्स अस व्हेन थिंग्स हैपन. टाइम जो है वो हमारी लाइफ का एक इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है. इट टेल्स अस व्हेन थिंग्स हैपन, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू एट व्हाट टाइम. द सन सेट्स एंड वी हैव डिनर. We measure time of a day in hours and minutes. तो जब sunset हो रहा है we have dinner. When sun rises we wake up and make our beds and we have breakfast. We measure time of a day in hours and minutes by the help of clock. Clock has 12 numbers on its face and each 12 number, between each 12 number it has 5 tick marks. Calendars helps us to know the days, months and years. There are 7 days in a month, in a week, and there are 12 months in a year. So that's all we have learned in this chapter. Moving to the exercise. Think and answer. First exercise. Tick the correct option. What is the shorthand of a clock on a clock called? A minute hand, B tick hand, C hour hand. So what is the shorthand called? Minute hand. A. Option number A is correct. How many days are there in a year? 350, 360 or 365. So option number C. 365 days are there. What is the first day of a week? Monday, Tuesday or Sunday? Monday is the first day of the week. What helps us to know the days, months and year? Option number A, calendar. How many minutes are there in an hour? 30, 60 or 45. So how many minutes are there in an hour? There are 60 minutes. Now, second exercise, fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. Dash is the second part of the day. Afternoon is the second part of the day. Dash is a day to rest and play. Sunday is a day for resting and playing. Dash has 29 and 28 days. February, because it is a special month. There are 7 days in a week. A dash shows the time while using numbers and hands. तो कौन हमें टाइम दिखाता है? क्लॉक. Now, last exercise, tick for the true and cross for the false statement. First statement, there are 12 numbers on a clock face. Yes, this is true. The sun sets in the morning. This is also true. Monday is the last day of the week. This is incorrect. You will put a cross. A decade is equal to 100 years. This is also incorrect. The minute hand moves on tick marks in 1 minute. Yes, this is true. So you will put a tick mark. I hope you have understood the topics which I have explained in this chapter. So now we will meet in our next class. That's all for today. Thank you, students. Take care. Bye-bye.